Oh.
Hi, Atara.
Hi, we are the bad.
Hi.
Hi, we are the video.
Well, you're having video today. Your
Yeah.
solo video.
And then my pink comb.
You have your what?
My pink comb.
Your pink comb. Wow.
My pink comb.
Oh, wow. This one is on the go detangling hairbrush for Atara.
Wow.
There's a
Comb. My pink comb.
revolutionary teeth. Configuration for dual action gives pain-free detangling. See? This is pain-free detangling for Atara because Atara doesn't want to comb, right?
Let's go. Only comb.
You want comb? This one. It will not hurt.
Only take this.
Oh, only like that.
Not that. Only like that.
Oh, only like that. See? Click off, click on cover to protect the teeth. Keeps them clean on the go. This one is designed and developed, made in Great Britain. See? This is the maker.
And the white.
This is the maker.
This white.
Made in Great Britain. Wow, so nice.
This.
It's color pink. Oh, this one is Atara's hair comb. Oh, show it, show it.
And it's always there.
Oh, hold it, hold it. Show it. Show it to the camera like that. Like that. Hold it like that. Oh, hold it like that. Wow, that is what? That is your detangling hairbrush.
It's there. Only here.
Hairbrush is a small one on the go for Atara's hair. Why? Why you don't like the normal comb? You don't like to comb your hair? It hurts?
And not and that only there's.
Only there on the end.
Yes.
Only there in the end, no?
Yes.
Oh, take a picture first. Take a picture. Hold it. Hold it like that. Hold it. No, just like that. Yan. Sabi yung phone ko.
Yeah.
Ang aking model. Here, look at here. Oh, sige, look at here. Go. 1, 2, 3. Here. Look at here. Again, last one.
I want to open. Open. I will not turn. Open.
Oh, we're not done yet. Oh, come. Oh, now we will test Atara's. We will open
And put
Atara's.
it like this.
Yes, Atara's on the go. Tangle Teezer hairbrush.
Open.
Okay, compact styler. Oh, this is made in Great Britain. Wow, it's nice. And it's not that. And this one is not that.
I like it.
Oh, this one we open, We open the detangling brush at the bottom.
It's your butt.
Wait, Atara, sit down.
Mommy.
Oh, wow, see, let's open it at the bottom. See? We get it. Wow.
Mine. It's mine.
No, it's yours. Wait lang, wait. We check first. We check first. Oh, this is there's a logo of Tweezer Tangle. Wait. Atara. Muna. Wow, this one is removable to protect the. Oh, you brush your back. Oh, you brush your hair. Where? Brush? Wow! Straight, Atara, straight.
No, this one is only this.
Brush your hair. Wow! Straight like that, oh.
Cat.
No, again. Oh, you get it. Go. Oh, see, Atara is combing the hair. Wow, very good. Atara is combing the hair.
By slimy.
Yes, slimy later, okay?
Come.
Come, please, come.
I put some.
Come the hair, faster.
Skip it. Down.
Oh, let mommy comb the hair.
No.
That is at the back, at the back.
Ah.
At the back. It's ano, tangled. At the back.
Okay.
Sige na, let mommy help you.
Okay.
At the back, at the back. Oh. We'll show if this works. Oh, see? See? It's not ouchy. I will show the video that it's working. See, it doesn't hurt, right? It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. It's working for Atarah. No more ouchie. No more ouchie for comb. You will comb your hair always, na? See, it's working. It's nice. See? Because before, Atarah is getting angry when having the normal hair comb. Because it hurts, right? It hurts. Wow! See? Wait lang. Sit down. Sit down. Wow! Yes, it's pink. Oh, wait lang.
No.
Oh, you comb your hair. Comb your
No,
hair.
yuppie.
Comb your hair. Wow, it's nice. Wow, it's a nice comb. And the design is very nice.
Pink.
There's also a protection. If you're not using it, you close it.
This one.
You close it when you're done combing your hair.
Next you can come. No, only now.
Okay, you come now. Not like that, straight like this. Straight, one line until the end. One line at the end, until the end. Until the end like this, see? Yan, see, Yan, very good until the end. You like it? You love it?
Yeah.
That's your comb? That's your
Yeah.
pretty pink comb? Wow, pretty cute pink comb. You're done na. You close it. You close it. When you're done. Wow, so easy. Even a 3-year-old like Atarah can use it.
But I need slimy.
Slimy? Okay, next time slimy, ha? Wow. It's nice. Can I see? We'll show the
Okay.
video. See? This is the tweezer.
It's for this one.
Tangle Teezer. Wait, Atarah.
Yay.
Wait lang. Tangle Teezer is compact. It's nice. Can bring it anywhere and it's good for kids like Atarah.
Not for boys.
It's not for boys. The boys can also use it.
Yours my.
Oh, that's yours. Because you love pink.
And it's that is comb. And the flap is I don't like the scallop flap. It's not pink. It's all color. This one is for me.
Oh, wow, that one is for you. Wow, see? It's very nice. Mom is the best. It says, Mom is the best. Mom is the best?
Yes.
Wow, you like it? Oh, you should always comb your hair, huh? Wow, no more painful. Next time we buy the brush. The bigger one, okay? For Atarah.
Yeah.
Yay!
It's so small.
It's so small. It's nice for baby.
And later you can buy a bigger one. Pink.
Yes, the pony one. Oh, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Look at here.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget.
Don't forget my gums.
Yes. Don't forget your comb.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like.
It's stuck.
Like. Wow. Oh, see, you can open it. See, you can easily open it. Oh. It's not stuck. Oh, again. You close it.
No.
Okay. Oops. Your hair.
Pony comb.
Comb your hair. Pony comb.
What is
sit down
that?
first.
What is all that?
Oh. Comb your hair first. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Straight. It doesn't hurt.
Not hurt.
Wow, you like it now?
This one.
Wow.
Not for mommy.
It's not for mommy. It's only for Atarah.
Yeah.
Comb
Not
your
for
hair.
kuya.
Not for kuya also.
And it's not for boys.
It's not for boys. How come it's not for boys? Because it's pink?
Yeah.
Don't forget, Atara, don't forget to
Comb my hair.
comb your hair. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe,
Yeah. Now
and ring the bell. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Always comb your hair.
You can buy big,
Oh, yes, the bigger one. Bye-bye.
bigger one
Thanks
for
for
me.
watching. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair.
I need